Hello everyone and welcome to our video. We, Ekta, Kajal, Khushali, Payal and Swati, students of class 12th Chenvi Jamnagar, are presenting before you art integrated project of mathematics on topic comparing men and women of Chhattisgarh, a mathematical review guided by Dr. R.S. Thakre. चलो हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन तो बहुत अच्छे से हो गया, लेकिन हमारा प्रोजेक्ट छत्तीसगढ़ पर बेस्ड है, तो हम छत्तीसगढ़ की बात करते हैं और छत्तीसगढ़ का इंट्रो सुनते हैं काजल के पास से।
Let me introduce the popular state of India, Chhattisgarh. It is the ninth largest state in India, with an area of 1,35,192 km square, with a population of 32.2 million as of 2020. Chhattisgarh is the 17th most populated state in the country. Chhattisgarh is located in east central India. The state was formed on 1 November 2000 and was earlier part of its neighboring state Madhya Pradesh. Chhattisgarh has population of 2.56 crores and increases from figure of 2.08 crore in 2001 census. Total population of Chhattisgarh as per 2011 census is 25,545,198, of which male and female are 12,832,895 and 12,712,303 respectively. In 2001, total population was 20,833,803, in which males were 10,474,218, while females were 10,359,585. The total population growth in this decade was 22.61%, while in previous decade it was 18.06%. The population of Chhattisgarh forms 2.11% of India in 2011. Chhattisgarh is one of the fastest developing state in India. The gross state domestic product of Chhattisgarh is rupees 3.63 lakh crore and per capita rupees 102,762. A research-rich state, Chhattisgarh is a source of electricity and steel for the country.
छत्तीसगढ़ हमें बहुत प्यारा है, ये हमारी आंखों का तारा है, पर क्या करें, प्रोजेक्ट मैथ्स का है, ज्योग्राफी का नहीं कि तारों की बात करें। तो चलो खुशहाली के पास छत्तीसगढ़ के कुछ आंकड़े ही जानकर आते हैं।
Here I want to tell you about the sex ratio in Chhattisgarh. Sex ratio is defined as the number of females per thousand males in the population. This information is an important social indicator to measure the extent of equality between males and females in a society at given time. The sex ratio in the country has always remained unfavorable to females. It means that the number of females per thousand males has always remained low in our country. The human sex ratio is of particular interest to anthropologists and demographers. In human society, however, sex ratio at birth may be considerably skewed by factors such as the age of mother at birth and by sex-selective abortions and infanticides. Exposure to pesticides and other environmental contaminants may be a significant contributing factor as well. As of 2014, the global sex ratio at birth is estimated at 107 boys to 100 girls. We are understand sex ratio by graph. Here the graph represents sex ratio comparison of India and Chhattisgarh. Now according to Census 1901, the sex ratio of India is around 925 and in Chhattisgarh sex ratio is 1050. According to Census 1911, the sex ratio of India is around 925 and in Chhattisgarh sex ratio is around 1040. According to Census 1921, the sex ratio of India is around 950 and in Chhattisgarh sex ratio is around 1040. According to Census 1931, the sex ratio of India is exact 950 and in Chhattisgarh the sex ratio is 1045. Now according to Census 1941, the sex ratio of India is around 945 and in Chhattisgarh the sex ratio is around 1030. According to Census 1951, the sex ratio of India is around 945 and in Chhattisgarh the sex ratio is 1025. According to Census 1961, the sex ratio of India is around 940 and in Chhattisgarh the sex ratio is 1010. According to Census 1971, the sex ratio of India is around 930 and in Chhattisgarh the sex ratio is exact 1000. According to Census 1981, the sex ratio of India is 940 and in Chhattisgarh the sex ratio is exact 1000. According to Census 1991, the sex ratio of India is around 925 and in Chhattisgarh sex ratio is 925. According to Census 2001, the sex ratio of India is around 930 and in Chhattisgarh sex ratio is around 990.
आजकल तो ये ऑनलाइन की मजबूरी है, पर पढ़ना लिखना तो ज़रूरी है। तो चलिए जानते हैं छत्तीसगढ़ की साक्षरता दर यानी लिटरेसी रेट के बारे में पायल से।
Now let us see literacy rate of few districts of Chhattisgarh with the help of example. The district is Dantewada. Total literacy rate in 1991 was 16.46, where male literacy rate was 22.87, while female literacy rate was just 10.09. Means there was a huge gap between the literacy rate of male and female. And in the year 2001, total literacy rate of Dantewada was 30.05, where male literacy rate was 39.59 and female literacy rate was 20.59. Now coming to overall state of Chhattisgarh, the literacy rate in 1991 was 42.91, where male literacy rate was 58.07 and female literacy rate was 22.52, and in 2001 the overall literacy rate of Chhattisgarh was 65.81 and where male literacy rate was 77.86 and female literacy rate was 52.40. And all the three cases we saw that there was a huge gap between the male and female literacy rate. It means that male literacy rate is always higher than the female literacy rate here. Chhattisgarh literacy rate. Literacy rate in Chhattisgarh has seen upward trend and is 70.2% as per 2011 population census. Of that, male literacy stand at 80.27% while female literacy is at 59.58%. In 2001, literacy rate in Chhattisgarh stood at 64.66%, of which male and female were 75.70% and 55.73% literate respectively. The overall literacy rate of the state is 65.18%. The male literacy rate is 77.86%. Female literacy rate is 52.40%. The rural literacy rate is 50.30%. Urban literacy rate is 69.98%. The rural female literacy is 39.08% and at the last the urban female literacy is 42.57%.
दंगे फसाद वाले इस युग में छत्तीसगढ़ की महिलाओं पर किए जाने वाले अपराध यानी क्राइम अगेंस्ट छत्तीसगढ़ वुमेन्स के बारे में हम कुछ जानते हैं स्वाति के पास से।
Now let us see the data of crimes in Raipur of Chhattisgarh. In 2000, there are total 406 cases of crime, in which 19 cases of murder, 9 cases of attempt to murder, 63 cases of hurt, 21 cases of grievous hurt, 164 cases of molestation, 18 cases of kidnapping, and 112 cases of rape. In 2001, there are total 546 cases of crime, in which 34 cases of murder, 10 cases of attempt to murder, 92 cases of hurt, 31 cases of grievous hurt, 254 cases of molestation, 21 cases of kidnapping, and 104 cases of rape. In 2002, there are total 580 cases of crime, in which 25 cases of murder, 11 cases of attempt to murder, 78 cases of hurt, 26 cases of grievous hurt, 247 cases of molestation, 45 cases of kidnapping. There are various forms of criminal violence against women, and the practices and ways through which they are subjected to the torture are numerous. Following are main forms of violence against women in Chhattisgarh: violence due to shrinking livelihoods and absence of food security, violence inextricably linked with the traditional practices, domestic violence and physical atrocities, sex detection tests, and state and caste violence. But the government has taken many steps to protect women of Chhattisgarh. Those steps are: facilitate a conducive environment to enable women to release their full potential and promote self-reliance; achieve equality in access to economic resources including forest, common property, land, and other means of production; ensure participation of women in social, political, and economic life of other states; encourage NGOs and women groups to effectively participate in the developmental process. To meet these objectives, the state has identified specific initiatives which include creating a responsive statutory and institutional mechanism, integrating gender perspective in economic development, creating an enabling environment for social development of women.
Lastly, we conclude that using mathematical data, graph, charts, surveys, we have compared men and women of Chhattisgarh on topics sex ratio, literacy rate, and crime against women. Lastly, we would like to thank CBSE for introducing such an innovative project of art integration. Then our guide and maths teacher, Dr. R.S. Thackeray, and our supporting principal, Mr. R.K. Borole. Also our families and specially group members for making this project worthy.